Good afternoon. I'm Merrick Masters. I'm a commentator, podcaster, and professor emeritus. You can reach me at my email address or at my YouTube channel noted on this slide. Today is May the 22nd, 2024. The topic of discussion is Trump's hush money trial. What was the crime underlying the prosecution? Trump's indictment by a grand jury of the County of New York of the defendant accuses Donald J. Trump of falsifying business records in violation of Penal Law 175.10 with intent to defraud and intent to commit another crime and aid and conceal the commission thereof. There are 34 counts which pertain to arguably illegal transactions involving the false reporting of vouchers, invoices, and checks. There have been numerous critiques of Trump's prosecution. Two of the most noteworthy have come from Jonathan Turley, a professor at George Washington Law School, and Alan Dershowitz, a professor emeritus at Harvard Law School. Both have written extensively on this case and on constitutional law. An excerpt from Turley's column points up his concerns. I have long been a critic of the Bragg indictment as legally incomprehensible. However, I must confess that after a week of testimony, some of us have developed a weird fascination with the utter madness of the scene unfolding in Manhattan. It was not until the second week of proceedings that Bragg even revealed part of the theory of criminality. For months, even liberal legal analysts have expressed dismay that Bragg's indictment had not clearly stated what specific crime that Trump sought to conceal by allegedly misrepresenting payments to former adult film actress Stormy Daniels. Dershowitz very recently wrote, I have observed and participated in trials throughout the world. I have seen justice and injustice in China, Russia, Ukraine, England, France, Italy, Israel, as well as in nearly 40 of our 50 states. But in my 60 years as a lawyer and law professor, I have never seen a spectacle such as the one I observed sitting in the front row of the courthouse yesterday. The judge in Donald Trump's trial was an absolute tyrant, though he appeared to the jury to be a benevolent despot. He seemed automatically to be ruling against the defendant at every turn. What's the underlying crime? Was it proven beyond a reasonable doubt in trial? I would appreciate viewers informing me of their thoughts on the answers to these two questions. If the underlying crime was an alleged violation of federal election campaign finance laws, then why was it not prosecuted by such an attorney? I offer these questions for a discussion because if we are prosecuting a former president of the United States, regardless of whichever party, who is the likely nominee of the Republican Party in this 2024 election, then it behooves the prosecution to have a sound case, and therefore the burden is on them to make the case. And I'm asking for information on what is the nature of the case, what is the underlying crime, and was the case proven beyond a reasonable doubt at trial. Thank you and have a good day.